Tutorial 1 Making Batik Broomsticks. Group 1 Member Tutor Muhammaduri SPD and Hidayatur Rahma. Tools and Materials. Making Process. Prepare paper and start drawing object with a pencil. Dig the pattern on the paper with a black marker. Prepare the stove and gas. Heat the wax in a container until it melts. Take a broomstick and dip it in the container containing it last night. Stretch the broomstick along the desired line and don't break it. Do the stretches until the knife penetrates the fabric. After you have made a line with a broomstick, draw a pattern from the paper onto the cloth. Draw the pattern using a pencil until it looks neat. If the fabric has been neat, do the first coloring step. Prepare the stove and gas. Take a pan of water and turn on the stove until the water boils. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare to layer the top of red and blue. The red top contains caustic soda and naphtol. The blue top contains LD. If the water in the pan has boiled, turn off the stove and pour the water from the pan into the red top. After pouring, the two left tops are filled with plain water to a height of up to 2 flick finger length. Stir the top so that powder is mixed evenly. Stir alternately and do the physically hands before moving to the outer. Before ring with the cloth with water until evenly distributed. If the water is all wet, start slowly adding it to the right top. Soak while opening the fold cloth. Don't forget to turn the cloth over for about 2-3 minutes until it's absorbed. If you have left the cloth and move it to the blue top, the cloth will start to change color according to the color chosen. Do as before, soaking the top and opening the cloth. Don't forget to turn over every 2-3 minutes. We do this activity by putting the cloth in the red top to the blue top, alternating to X to get the desired color. Don't forget to rinse the cloth until it is clean. The fabric should not be worn out so that the wax does not fall off. Dry the cloth in the sun. Cloth that has been dried in the sun is blocked using wax and applied with a brush to create gradation during drying. Do this activity on the fabric motif you want to block. After blocking, you can make batik with the broomstick again in a different line direction. When finished to the coloring stage, switch to get the desired color. The coloring stage is still the same as the previous step. If you have done the second coloring followed by the second stage of blocking the fabric, here is a spiral motif by attaching the fabric. When you have finished the last coloring stage, the coloring method is still the same as the previous one. The final process is reducing. Prepare water in large pan and boil in on the stove until it evaporates. When it's boiling, add the pot the tablespoons of soda ash. Don't forget to put the cloth in the pot. Don't forget to stir to the wax falls off quickly. When you have finished, lift the cloth and start washing it off by rubbing your hands on the cloth. Do this activity until the cloth at night is clean. Don't forget to rinse the cloth until it is clean, cold, and be dried directly in the sun. And all activities have been complete.